Hello, syllables, مقاطع. What are the syllables? What are the syllables? What is the importance of syllables? And how many kinds of syllables? دي 3 أسئلة هنجاوب عليها النهاردة. Number 1, what is the syllable? The syllable is a single spoken sound. Single spoken sound that usually contain a vowel and some consonant. هو صوت واحد بس يحتوي على vowel and some consonant بعض الكونسوننت. طب what is the importance of the syllable؟ أهمية السيلابل هي إيه؟ If you know the syllable well, you will be able to divide any words. هتبقى قادر إن أنت تقطع أي كلمة you want to know عايز تعرفها and write it correctly وتكتبها بشكل صحيح. طيب how many kinds of syllables? There are many kinds of syllables and today we are going to talk about 2 kinds of syllable. The first kind of syllable is called the open syllable. Open syllable. What is the open syllable? The open syllable is the syllable which ends in a vowel. Ends in a vowel. And this vowel says its name بيقول اسمه and always long وعلى طول طويل زي hi, me, go, no. This is the first kind of syllable. The second kind of syllable is called the closed syllable. Closed syllable. ليه سميناه closed syllable? Because the vowel is blocked. Blocked. اتقفل عليه with a consonant. قفل عليه بconsonant. طب this vowel is short or long? Short. Excellent. عشان هي between 2 consonants. Okay? زي hit, met, got, not. تعالوا نفرق تاني بين الأوبن والكلوز. Hi, hit, me, met, go, got, no, not. And that's all. See you later إن شاء الله. Bye bye.